Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of fashion and photography with none other than the stunning Pooja Hegde. Known for her elegance and charm, Pooja has been setting trends and turning heads in the industry. So, let's take a closer look at some of her modern photoshoot choices that have been making waves lately. The actress effortlessly flaunts a contemporary look in stylish urban settings. She opts for sleek, tailored outfits paired with edgy accessories, capturing the essence of modern sophistication. Embracing her free-spirited side, the beauty radiates bohemian vibes in flowing dresses adorned with intricate patterns and vibrant colors. She poses amidst nature or eclectic urban backdrops, exuding effortless allure. Pooja stuns in minimalist ensembles, opting for clean lines and understated sophistication. She lets her natural beauty shine through, with subtle makeup and sleek hairstyles, making a striking statement with simplicity. Bold and daring, the actress explores the realms of futuristic fashion, donning avant-garde silhouettes and metallic accents. She poses against modern architectural backdrops, embodying a vision of tomorrow's style. Pooja effortlessly blends high fashion with street style, rocking casual yet chic ensembles with a hint of urban edge. She accessorizes with statement pieces and exudes confidence as she struts through city streets, turning heads at every corner. Transporting us to bygone eras, the beauty channels old Hollywood glamour in vintage-inspired photoshoots. She dons classic silhouettes, retro hairstyles, and timeless accessories, capturing the essence of timeless elegance. The actress effortlessly blends fashion and functionality in athleisure-inspired photoshoots. She rocks stylish activewear pieces paired with trendy sneakers and accessories, showcasing her fit physique while exuding an aura of casual chic. Whether she's posing in a gym setting or on the streets, her athleisure looks are always on point. The actress embraces high fashion in extravagant photoshoots that push the boundaries of creativity. She dons couture gowns, avant-garde pieces, and dramatic accessories, posing against luxurious backdrops or in surreal settings. With her poise and elegance, the actress effortlessly commands attention, embodying the epitome of glamour and sophistication. Pooja dazzles in photoshoot's inspired by glamorous evening events and red carpet galas. She graces the camera in elegant evening gowns, sparkling jewelry, and sophisticated hair and makeup looks. With her radiant smile and graceful demeanor, the beauty captures the essence of luxury and opulence, transporting viewer to a world of glitz and glamour. Embracing the beauty of the great outdoors, the actress shines in photoshoots set amidst breathtaking natural landscapes. Whether it's lush forests, serene beaches, or majestic mountains, she becomes one with nature, radiating serenity and tranquility. Her ethereal beauty harmonizes with the scenic backdrop, creating mesmerizing images that evoke a sense of wonder and awe. The actress graces the pages of fashion magazines in editorial photoshoots that showcase cutting-edge trends and avant-garde styling. She collaborates with top fashion photographers and stylists to create visually striking images that push the boundaries of conventional beauty. From bold fashion statements to conceptual artistry, her editorial shoots captivate audiences with their artistic vision and creative flair. The actress uses her platform to inspire and uplift in photoshoots that celebrate strength, confidence, and individuality. Whether she's posing for empowerment campaigns or personal projects, she radiates authenticity and empowerment. Through her captivating gaze and empowering poses, she sends a powerful message of self-love and resilience, inspiring others to embrace their true selves and pursue their dreams. The actress channels the opulence of the roaring 20s in photoshoots inspired by Art Deco aesthetics. She adorns herself in sleek, geometrically patterned outfits, dripping with luxurious embellishments and accessories. Against the backdrop of gilded settings or vintage-inspired studios, the beauty exudes the timeless allure of the jazz age, blending elegance with a touch of nostalgia. Embracing the intersection of fashion and futuristic technology, Pooja captivates in photoshoots that envision fashion-forward designs straight out of a sci-fi movie. She dons avant-garde ensembles featuring metallic fabrics, LED accents, and sleek silhouettes, embodying the essence of high-tech chic. Set against futuristic cityscapes or otherworldly landscapes, her photoshoots transport viewer to a realm where fashion meets fantasy. The actress brings a touch of whimsy to her photoshoot choices with playful and fantastical themes. She embraces vibrant colors, quirky accessories, and imaginative props to create enchanting visuals reminiscent of a fairy tale. Whether she's posing in a whimsical garden, a whimsy, or a surreal studio set, her photoshoots exude a sense of childlike wonder and magic. Blending high fashion with exotic landscapes, Pooja embarks on a sartorial safari adventure in photoshoots that showcase the beauty of wildlife and nature. She wears safari-inspired attire elevated with luxurious fabrics and statement accessories, posing against breathtaking backdrops such as savannas, jungles, or deserts. With her adventurous spirit and impeccable style, the actress proves that fashion knows no bounds, even in the wilderness. The actress becomes a muse for architecture in photoshoots that celebrate the beauty of iconic buildings and urban landscapes. She poses against striking architectural marvels, utilizing their lines, shapes, and textures to complement her own graceful silhouette. Whether she's exploring modern skyscrapers, historic landmarks, or minimalist structures, her photoshoots juxtapose fashion and architecture in mesmerizing harmony. Pooja embraces the darker side of fashion in photoshoots that explore dystopian themes and post-apocalyptic aesthetics. She dons edgy, distressed garments, accessorized with rugged elements and industrial accents, reflecting a world in chaos. Against gritty urban backdrops or desolate landscapes, the actress embodies a sense of resilience and defiance, turning adversity into a canvas for fierce self-expression. Pooja celebrates cultural diversity and global influences in photoshoots that showcase fusion fashion. She effortlessly blends elements from different cultures, mixing and matching traditional attire with contemporary styles to create captivating looks that transcend borders. Whether she's donning a kimono-inspired gown with modern accessories or pairing ethnic prints with urban streetwear, her photoshoots celebrate the beauty of cultural exchange and inclusivity. Pooja steps into the realm of dreams and imagination in surreal fantasy-themed photoshoots. She transforms into ethereal characters adorned with elaborate costumes, whimsical makeup, and fantastical props. Whether she's portraying a mythical goddess, a mystical creature, or a character from a fairy tale, her photoshoots transport viewer to enchanted worlds filled with magic and wonder. The actress showcases her athleticism and grace in dynamic sports-themed photoshoots that marry fashion with fitness. She poses in sleek activewear designed for performance and style, highlighting her strength and agility. Against urban sports arenas or natural landscapes, the beauty radiates energy and determination, inspiring others to embrace an active and healthy lifestyle with confidence and flair. Pooja pays homage to bygone eras in retro revival photoshoots that capture the essence of vintage glamour. From mod mini dresses and bold prints to disco-inspired sequins and retro hairstyles, the beauty effortlessly channels the nostalgia of yesteryear, infusing classic charm into contemporary fashion. Pooja embraces the vibrant spirit of festivals and celebrations in photoshoots that showcase festive fashion. She dons colorful ensembles embellished with sequins, beads, and embroidery, reflecting the joy and exuberance of cultural festivities. Whether she's posing amidst a bustling market or dancing in the streets, her photoshoots capture the essence of communal celebration and cultural heritage. The actress enchants in romantic-themed photoshoots that evoke the magic of love and passion. She wears ethereal dresses adorned with delicate lace, flowing chiffon, and soft floral prints, embodying the whimsy and charm of romance. Against dreamy landscapes and intimate settings, the beauty exudes grace and allure, capturing the essence of timeless love stories with every captivating pose. The actress embraces cutting-edge technology and futuristic aesthetics in photoshoots that envision fashion of the future. She dons innovative garments crafted from sustainable materials, featuring bold silhouettes, geometric patterns, and holographic finishes. Set against sleek, minimalist backdrops or high-tech environments, her photoshoots offer a glimpse into a world where style meets sustainability and innovation. Pooja transforms into a silver screen siren in cinematic-themed photoshoots inspired by iconic movies and film genres. Pooja delves into the realm of artistic expressionism in photoshoots that blur the lines between fashion and art. She collaborates with avant-garde photographers and stylists to create visually striking images that evoke emotion and provoke thought. Through experimental makeup, unconventional poses, and abstract compositions, her photoshoots transcend traditional boundaries, challenging perceptions and igniting imagination. The actress brings fairy tales to life in photoshoots that reimagine classic stories through a fashion-forward lens. She portrays iconic characters with modern interpretations, wearing elaborate costumes and whimsical accessories. And there you have it, Pooja Hegde's modern photoshoot choices are a testament to her creativity, versatility, and undeniable talent. Which of these looks was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.